So I learned today how to just remove the engine oil from the 2015 Kawasaki ZX10R SuperBike. So what you're going to need is a 17mm socket and a ratchet, using this towel just to protect your clothes on basically laying down on a workshop floor, wheel derrick underneath this sump, and the sump bung is actually left hand side right there opposite the oil filter. Easy to get to and no need to remove the SuperBike panel to get to it. Same for the oil filter. Because we need a bit of access, I've moved the oil derrick just out the way. What we need to do is just crack off the sump bung and then stop, and then put the oil derrick underneath. Okay, get your oil derrick underneath. The oil is going to come out really quickly. So just rotate, rotate, be really, really fast. 3, 2, 1. Like a bolt. And there it goes. Yeah, we did get our glove all oily. That oil was actually coming out. We'll just take the sump bung and rest it on, say, the kitchen paper. And just so you're aware, the sump bung does use a crush washer. Fairly straightforward and didn't take a lot of time. This is one of the easier motorcycles to drop out the oil. Thanks for watching.
Until I found a lighthouse in your heart, shining like a big